Does MainSmart have a dashboard? Yes, it does. We call it the hot sheet. The hot sheet lists one or more of the four main components of MainSmart: preventive maintenance, work orders, inventory and purchasing, and downtime. Each of these sections can be customized to your needs. Going to the Settings tab, for example, the preventive maintenance node of the hot sheet can be configured as follows. Late days, -7 in this case. That means show me everything that's coming due in the next week or is already due. Group it by the technician. Work orders. Go back a year, for example, and list work orders by priority and requester. Inventory. Use a minimum stock level to list inventory items in the hot sheet. In this case, it's going to list everything that is one or more below minimum stock. For the purposes of inventory and purchasing, you can actually create a purchase requisition from the hot sheet directly. So MainSmart needs to know, what do you want to use as a value to order up to? And in this case, we're going to go ahead and use maximum stock. So MainSmart will order the difference between what appears in inventory now and the maximum stock level and place that on the purchase requisition. Downtime. Downtime will pull, in this case, any downtime that's 10 minutes or more, any time to repair 12 minutes or more, or any impact, and impact could be opportunity cost of 60 minutes or more. I'm going to go ahead and save these settings. Now these settings are personalized to my login, so when I log in, I will get these same settings back. I can also make the hot sheet my default screen, so when I log into MainSmart, I immediately see the important items for me that day. Going back to the hot sheet tab, if I refresh this, I have PMs by technician. Now these PMs can be selected, or you can select them all by right-clicking, picking Select All. Once you have the selection you need, you can pick Print Selection, and MainSmart will create the PM list for your selection. From here you can email it or print it. Remember, these are just PMs that are coming due this week or are already due. Work orders, same thing. You can print them or edit them from here. So if I want to edit these two to close them, I can pick Edit Selection, and MainSmart will open the work order screen and select those rows for me. Okay, inventory. If I have some items that are below minimum stock, I can select them, right-click, and pick Create Requisition for Selection, and MainSmart immediately creates a purchase requisition for me. And then we have the downtime section. And that is your dashboard, or as we call it, the hot sheet.